Air fryers have been on the market for several of years, but now we're seeing them in such varieties of shapes and sizes that, like different makes and models of cars, it can be difficult to discern a coupe from a clunker. We tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. If you're in the market for an air fryer, use this guide to figure out which machine is perfect for you. Number 1. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 Air Fryer. We already love the Instant Pot, so it's no surprise that Instant Brands churned out another winning product with the Instant Vortex. During our tests, we found this air fryer cooked with more power than the others, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food every time. That said, we did notice a whirring sound while it works, although, it's no louder than a microwave. We also love the size. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to hold a whole pound of chicken, while the Crux could only make a half pound of chicken per batch. Number 2, Crux 2.6 Quarts. Touchscreen Air Convection Fryer. This air fryer was our favorite model of 2018. Call it Goldilocks choice, this model is the perfect size for most homes and cooks food better and more efficiently than most any other model. Its exterior shell stays cool and its clear digital display is wonderfully devoid of too many buttons, allowing you to easily toggle between time and temperatures in 5-degree increments. Its lightweight basket also made it easy to toss food halfway through cooking to make sure every piece gets an even golden brown crunch. Number 3, Compact Electric Air Fryer. While most air fryer models have a 2 to 3 quart capacity, this model can only hold half that, making it ideal for cooking for one. Its tiny footprint also means it takes up less room on your counter and fits perfectly in a dorm room, RV or in a roll-on suitcase, you know, if you get that attached to it. And the smaller heating volume browned the fries, chicken and cake we tested in it better than any other model. Number 4, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you're intrigued by air frying, but are put off by aesthetics of most machines, this model solves that by masquerading as an oven, just in a small size. Its wide, shallow air frying basket means you can fit more food in it, perfect for feeding a larger family and more air reaches the food than in traditional models, providing excellent browning on fries and chicken. It also bakes up tender cakes, nixing the need for extra machines like a toaster oven or even conventional oven. You can also use its bake, broil and toaster settings to get 4 machines in one, so you don't have to choose between having a separate air fryer and oven ever again. Number 5, Ninja Air Fryer. This model is sturdy, compact and feels like it's made of quality materials, a boon when a lot of air fryer models can feel like they're made of flimsy plastic that gets too hot to touch. This model is the ideal size for cooking enough food for 2 people and cooked all the foods we tested to a beautiful golden brown and with crisp texture. Its handy, multifunction display gives it a more functional appearance than that of a futuristic robot. Plus, you can dehydrate with this model, which slows the heated air that circulates around the food so it gradually dries out kale, apple slices and more for healthy fruit and veggie chips and other dehydrated foods.